Hello student, last day you saw that how actually the old man told the king that he did not know anything about such groan, but his father might knew about such groan. So he just suggested the king to ask his father about the groan, about the grain. Now student, let's read further. So the king sent for the old man's father, and he was found and brought before the king. So now actually after the suggestion of that farmer, the king sent for old man's father. The king actually called the old man's father. Usko bulaya gaya. He was summoned, and he was found and brought before the king. Actually the king's man actually found out the man where he was living, and then he was brought in front of the king. Student, there is always a confusion to the students who does not have enough knowledge of the English language, that before is also used for in front of, to show in front of. If you are standing in front of something, if something is lying in front of something, then we use the word before also to say that के सामने, उनको लाया गया उसके सामने, just like that. So actually the man was brought in front of the king. Then he was found out. He came walking with one crutch. Actually that man came, how did that man came into the court? He came walking on one crutch. Crutch is actually, as I told you last day student, it is the stick with the with the help of which old persons generally walk, because when you grow old your body becomes very big, fragile, feeble, so you cannot walk without an additional help. So the crutches help the old man to walk with the help of them. The king showed him the grain, and to an old peasant who was still able to see took a good look at it. So now actually again the king showed him the grain about about which the king wanted to get the information from peasants. And this old peasant, as I told you, peasant means farmer. So this old peasant who is still able to see, it means his sight, his vision was not diminished like his son. He is still capable of seeing. So he just take a good look of that grain. And then what did he reply? And the king asked him, "Can you not tell us, old man, where corn like this used to grow?" Now the king is again asking him same question, to tell him where did this type of corns used to be grown. And he also asked that, have you ever bought any like it, or have you ever sown any corn like this in your field? So what did the man reply? That we will see. Though the old man was rather hard of hearing, he still heard better than his son had done. Actually this man also had some hearing problems because of his age, but he still hears better than his son. You all might find it a bit surprising that how is it possible that the old man has better organs, sense organs, he is in a better health physical state in comparison to his son, because in olden times they used to eat more purest of the grains and corns and crops. But as the time has passing, and we are eating not so pure things, we are just eating mixed up things, polluted things, and that is actually harming our health, and we are becoming weaker physically with every passing year.